Have you ever wanted the convenience of an air fryer but hated how bulky they are? Maybe you're tired of transferring food from a cooking basket into storage containers, or you're looking for a healthier, non-toxic cooking option that doesn't take over your kitchen counter. If that sounds familiar, today's product might be one of the most interesting air fryer concepts we've seen in a long time. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 glass air fryer. Designed for busy individuals, small families, apartment dwellers, meal preppers, and health-conscious cooks, this portable cooking system combines air frying, baking, recrisping, and max crisp cooking into one compact package. What makes it different is that it uses glass cooking containers instead of traditional air fryer baskets, allowing you to cook, serve, store, and reheat food all within the same system. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is how different the Ninja Crispi looks compared to almost every other air fryer on the market. Instead of a bulky drawer-style design, it uses a compact PowerPod that sits directly on top of specially designed glass containers. The overall appearance feels modern, clean, and surprisingly practical. The periwinkle finish adds a bit of personality without feeling overly trendy, and the glass containers immediately create a premium impression. The build quality is excellent. The glass containers feel thick and durable, while the lids lock securely for food storage and transport. One of the biggest advantages of the glass design is peace of mind. Many people prefer cooking and storing food in glass rather than plastic, especially when dealing with higher temperatures. The fact that the containers are free from PFAS and PTFE will also appeal to buyers who prioritize non-toxic cookware options. In day-to-day use, the Ninja Crispi feels refreshingly simple. The smaller container is ideal for quick lunches, leftovers, or single-serving meals, while the larger container provides enough room for family-sized portions or even a whole chicken with vegetables. Because the PowerPod delivers the cooking power from above, setup is straightforward and doesn't require a large appliance permanently sitting on your counter. Performance is surprisingly strong for such a compact system. Air frying results are crispy and evenly cooked, especially for foods like fries, chicken tenders, vegetables, and frozen snacks. The Max Crisp function is particularly useful when you're looking for extra crunch, while the Recrisp mode works well for bringing leftover pizza, fries, or takeout back to life without making them soggy. One area where the Ninja Crispi genuinely improves everyday convenience is food storage. Instead of cooking food in one appliance and then transferring leftovers into another container, you can simply place the included lid on the glass container and store it directly in the refrigerator. Later, you can reheat or recrisp the same meal using the same container. It's a small workflow improvement that becomes surprisingly valuable over time. Cleaning is another strong point. The glass containers, lids, adapters, and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, which significantly reduces maintenance. Since glass doesn't stain or retain odors the way some materials can, everything tends to stay looking newer for longer. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The Ninja Crispi is not designed to replace large-capacity air fryers for big families. If you regularly cook meals for 5 or 6 people, you may find yourself wishing for more capacity. Additionally, while the PowerPod is portable, the overall concept is a bit different from traditional air fryers and may require a short adjustment period. Compared to similarly priced compact air fryers from Instant, Cosori, and Dash, the Ninja Crispi stands out because of its glass-based design and storage-focused approach. Most competitors focus solely on cooking, while the Crispi adds convenience before and after the meal as well. Overall, the Ninja Crispi is best suited for individuals, couples, meal preppers, and anyone who values convenience, healthier cooking materials, and space-saving design. It solves several common frustrations associated with traditional air fryers, while introducing a more flexible way to cook and store food. If you're looking for a compact air fryer that does more than just cook, the Ninja Crispi is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any offers change.